All right. Let's see. How fast can I do bubble sort? So if you're not familiar with bubble sort, it's an n-square algorithm. It's got the reputation of being the worst ever. Um, so anyway, if you watch Primogen, he did he did a little video on bubble sort. Anyway, it got me curious. Do I even remember it? I had to look it up on Wikipedia what the actual algorithm was. I didn't look at the code, but I just wanted to see how it worked. So you start with basically two pointers in there, the first and second number. You swap those and you keep incrementing all the way through your list. And you keep doing that until you have a pass with no more swaps, really. Because that's the only way you'd know if it was uh, if it was sorted, is if you make a pass and it's not you don't do any swaps. So let's see. Um, okay, what do I need? I need some integer arrays or one array. Let's see. We'll do five numbers. Um, let's do 5 or 4, 31, 9, and 23. So we do that. Five numbers. Okay, we need to sort this. So let's do a utility function. Oh, wait a minute. There's got to be, I don't know enough C++. It's got to be a way. I'm sure there's something in the standard library where I could print the whole array. Got to do it all in C now. Okay, let's do void. What am I doing? Integer. Um, we'll just pass this instead of the whole, instead of a pointer. Uh, what is it, length? Okay, if length is less than 2, uh, cout, get sort. All right. There we go there. Wait, why am I putting that there when I could just, well, if it's print number, it shouldn't go there. Okay, let's do this. You can tell I was a C sharp programmer because I put the braces down here. It's weird because in JavaScript, I think I started up here. I don't know, I haven't programmed, so I've been on sabbatical for over a year. Trying to get back into it, but nobody hires you once you've been out for a while. And plus, with today's market, man, it's bad. Um, okay, what was I doing? Okay, we got our loop. We're gonna go through. We just need to print these. So, let's do D. Cout nums I. So we're gonna do nums I. We need a comma too, but you don't want to put the comma in the last number. So we'll end it there and we'll say if let's see, I is less than what? Length minus 1? Minus 1, I think. What's the logic on that? When it hits length, it's already too much. When we're on our last one, we don't want to do that. I think that's right. It's actually going to be the last one that we print, though, is length minus 1, which is 4. So we actually don't need a comma on that one. So let's say minus 2. But what if we only had two numbers on there? Well, let's see. If we have 5 numbers, you'll need what? 4 commas? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need a comma after. Yeah, you'd actually only need 3 though. 3 commas. So what, minus 2? But what if there's only 2 numbers? It's one of those things where I hate thinking about it. Okay, let's just do this and then see how it looks. When in doubt, run it. Okay, if length, okay, less than length, then, oh, this is going to be another 40-minute video. Comma. Okay, yay. At the very end, we want to do a new line on it. So, come on. Okay, there we go there. Okay, let's see how the commas look on that. Nums 5. Let's see, do that. Main. Oh, CL main. What you want to do? Watch when this. Oh, where is it? Length undeclared info. Where's that at? Oh, here. That's fine. Okay, see this warnings right here? This is for the exception handler used. This is in the standard library that's in there. So to get that to go away, we just use EH for error handling, and then SC. I don't know what the SC is though. But that'll do that. You're basically telling it that you're not going to use try-catch, what is it, try-catch, whatever loops, or errors, try-catches, finally, try-catch finally. We're not using it. Okay, so here we go, back on task. I need a t-shirt that says back on task. Okay, we did not even run it, so, whoops. So 430, 120, so it prints the last one. So let's do length minus 1. And ow, that's the correct way. So, okay, let's go sort. We got that sorted out. Yay. Now that we spent 20 minutes doing that. Okay, print the numbers. Another thing we need to do is print the last. Oh, we already did it right there. Okay. Print numbers. Let's do this. See how it's sorted. Okay, there we go. Then I'll do that. And then down here. Oh. And then we'll sort these things, and then at the very end, we'll print them out again. Print nums 5. Okay, that's it on that. All right, let's finally do this. Bubble sort. If I can even do this. Okay, here we go. So we need to know when we have a pass that didn't sort anything. So did we swap? So we need it as true so we can get into this loop. So while it's true, it's going to keep going. And that's how we know. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, let's go ahead and set up our variables here. Int, let's see, index A equals 0, B equals 1. So we'll start from there comparing. So at some point, these have to be reset though. See if we can do it in here. So we start off with those. So we actually have a loop inside of a loop here. So we have, let's see, let's do another one. While B less than length. And then nums A is less than nums B. And we're going to swap. This is your classic swap. Whoops. A. Okay, so we swapped them. We need to set our flag to true. Whoops. When we first enter here, false. So we want this to run until B is the whole length. So that's going to make just one pass. And then we did swap. And then we'll come out here. Swap will be true. It'll come back in. Bam. Swap is false. Resets 0 to and 1. Runs through the list again. Now if it goes all the way through and never swaps, then we'll come out. It's still false. Exit, and then it'll do that. Okay. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen here, based on my observation of the code. All right, let's go. Enough messing around. I need coffee. I got to make some coffee. And I can't make coffee till I get this. So, there we go. Main, where's main at? Looks like we're in a loop. So, I am so good at that. Do the old control C. All right. So, what happened here? Let's go through it. So 4 and 30, it didn't swap. Okay. Okay, blah, blah, swaps false, blah, blah, 0, 1, 0, 1. 4 and 30, P is less than length. Yes, it is. 4 is less than, whoa. Got that wrong. Should be greater. Because we're swapping the other way. We're doing lowest to largest, smallest to largest. So if A is greater than B, it is not. So we fall through, we go back. Wonder. We never incremented A and B. And we will always increment this, not just after a swap. So A plus plus, B plus plus. Okay, blah, blah, we do that. Comes out, okay. There. There it is, folks. There it is. Yay, I get coffee now. All right, that's the bubble sort. There you go. You can zoom in on it in all its glory. There we go. Even with the print nums function. There we go. Yay. Bubble sort. There we go, right there. Let's highlight it. Bubble sort. Oh, come on. Windows. There we go. There you go. There's the algorithm. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share it. Bye-bye.